Your fence is constantly battling the elements: rain, snow, scorching heat, and even pests. But did you know that with the right care, your fence can last decades, even a lifetime? In this video, we'll show you the best ways to weatherproof your fence, from choosing the right materials to maintenance techniques that keep it standing strong for years. The first step to a weatherproof fence is choosing the right material. Not all fences are created equal. Some require way more maintenance than others. If you prefer the natural look of wood, go for cedar or redwood. They have built-in resistance to rot and insects. Pressure-treated wood is another great option, but it needs a waterproof sealant for extra protection. Vinyl and aluminum fences, on the other hand, are virtually maintenance-free but come at a higher upfront cost. Wood fences need an extra layer of protection. Sunlight, rain, and humidity can cause them to warp, crack, or rot over time. To prevent this, apply a high-quality stain, waterproof sealant, or exterior-grade paint. For best results, apply a fresh coat of sealant or paint every 2 to 3 years. Make sure to clean the fence first to remove dirt and mold before applying any product. Water is the biggest enemy of a wooden fence. If your posts are buried directly in the soil, moisture buildup can lead to rotting from the inside out. The solution? Proper drainage and elevated fence posts. When setting up a fence, place gravel at the base of each post before pouring concrete. This allows water to drain away instead of soaking into the wood. Too much sun exposure can cause your fence to fade, dry out, and crack. This is especially true for wooden fences in hot and dry climates. Using a stain with built-in UV protection or applying a polyurethane top coat can keep your fence looking new for years. Even the best protected fences need regular maintenance. A quick checkup every few months can prevent costly repairs later. Small fixes now save you from big replacements later. If you see signs of damage, take care of it before it worsens. Want your fence to stand the test of time? Let the experts handle it. Call 781-767-3596 or visit caonfenceinc.com for professional fencing solutions that last.